Hidden deep within this forgotten forest, we found a truck that time almost erased forever. But before this story ends, you'll witness something that should have been impossible. For nearly 60 years, nature quietly reclaimed every inch of this forgotten giant.
I've explored abandoned vehicles across America, but I've never seen anything like this.
Every inch of this truck tells the same story. Decades of abandonment.
Can this legendary 1967 International Harvester ever run again?
No one has opened this cab in decades.
Today, we begin one of the most ambitious classic truck restorations we've ever attempted. Before we move a truck like this, every structural component must be carefully inspected.
This engine hasn't seen daylight in decades.
Surprisingly, cool with the pine, the frame is still holding together.
Its identity was still here, waiting to be rediscovered.
Years of sinking into the forest floor have locked this truck firmly in place.
Recovering a machine of this size requires serious equipment and careful planning.
Check your tension over there.
Looks good, secured.
All right, we are clear to pull. After decades of silence, this is the moment we've all been waiting for.
After decades trapped beneath the forest floor, it finally moved.
These wheels haven't turned in nearly 60 years.
Every foot forward feels like rescuing a forgotten piece of American history.
Standing here, it's even more incredible than we imagined.
Its journey back to civilization has finally begun.
Today, we're not just moving an old truck, and we're preserving a forgotten legacy. This is where the real work begins. Before turning a single wrench, every inch of this truck must be carefully documented.
The first layer to disappear isn't rust, it's 60 years of dirt.
Beneath decades of neglect, its original identity begins to reappear.
Years of packed mud concealed the truck's true condition. Every object inside tells part of this truck's forgotten story. Some damage was expected, but several discoveries surprised even our team. For the first time in decades, we can finally see the heart of this machine.
Cleaning revealed the truth. Now the real restoration can finally begin.
Every successful restoration begins with careful organization. One missing bolt can become a major setback months later. The first major component comes off, revealing decades of untouched mechanical history.
Every original component is preserved. Nothing is discarded unless it can no longer be saved. With every panel remove, the truck reveals more of its original engineering. Every system must be safely emptied before major components can be removed. Nothing leaves this workshop without first earning the chance to be restored. Every wire, every hose, every connection must return to its exact original location.
For the first time since 1967, the heart of this truck beats outside its frame.
With the cab finally separated, the truck's true foundation is exposed for the first time.
This steel frame carried countless miles, and now every inch will be rebuilt. Years of corrosion disappear one layer at a time. Cleaning the frame reveals its true condition, and fortunately, it's stronger than expected. Every repair is performed to preserve the truck's original factory geometry.
Every suspension component will be restored individually before returning to the chassis.
Protection comes before beauty. This coating will preserve the frame for decades to come.
The foundation is finally ready. From this point forward, every new piece brings this legend one step closer to the road.
Every great restoration begins with complete disassembly. Only then can we understand what decades have left behind. Inside, the damage tells the story of decades without movement, but not a story beyond repair. Years of grease and carbon disappear, revealing the precision hidden beneath.
Precision machining restores the engine to the exact tolerances it had when it left the factory.
Every bolt is torqued to factory specification. Every moving part is prepared for a second lifetime.
What was once forgotten now looks exactly as it did nearly 6 decades ago. Power means nothing without a transmission capable of delivering it.
The heart has finally returned home. For the first time in decades, this legend is beginning to breathe again. Every restoration begins by exposing the original steel beneath decades of wear.
Every repair panel is handcrafted to match the truck's original factory specifications.
A flawless finish begins long before the first coat of paint.
Primer protects today's work while preparing every surface for tomorrow's finish.
For the first time in decades, the original color returns. Inside the cab, every detail returns exactly as it left the factory. Piece by piece, the truck begins to look exactly as it did in 1967.
Today, the body and the soul become one again. The legend is no longer just a collection of parts, it's a truck once more.
Every connection matters. One loose clamp could end the journey before it truly begins.
Fuel and air are finally ready to meet again after decades of silence.
For the first time in years, it stands on its own wheels again.
After decades in darkness, electricity flows through the truck once again.
The first startup begins long before turning the key.
This single turn of the key will decide whether months of work were worth it. After nearly 6 decades of silence, the heartbeat of a legend echoes once again. It can breathe, it can move, but one final challenge still remains.
Months of restoration come down to one final inspection. Every system must earn our trust before this truck earns the road.
For the first time in nearly 6 years, it moves under its own power.
This truck was never meant to sit forgotten in the forest. It was built to keep moving.
Every restored detail honors the craftsmanship of 1967.
Restoration isn't just about rebuilding machines. It's about preserving the stories they carry. From forgotten relic to rolling history, the transformation speaks for itself.
Some legends are remembered. Others are rebuilt.
The 1967 International Harvester Transtar 4300 has found its way back to the road.